I'm Tim from Tim Marner Branding Agency in Bolton, and today we're going to give you a little insight into one of our branding projects, and that's why Athelis is called Athelis and what the real meaning behind the logo is. So coming straight up after the intro. If you've recently been living in outer space, then you probably have not heard of Athelis, the most exclusive club and spa based in Warrington. Athelis is the next generation of health and fitness. It is an entirely unique destination that gives you the power and possibilities to create and develop your own health and well-being journey. Athelis redefines what it means to be a fitness club. Whether your destination of escape, you will find it here. Their club is unparalleled, as is their commitment to the members. But why is it called Athelis? Some people say Athelis, or some people even say Athelis. But it doesn't really matter so much how anyone pronounces it. It's what's inside the meaning of the name that counts. The brand name comes from two words: athlete and Acropolis. The word athlete is an ancient Greek word that means one who competes for a prize or goal. No matter what age, gender, shape or size, everyone has a goal in mind, even if they don't want to admit it to themselves sometimes. Being an athlete is a mindset. It's a never give up attitude, with you either lasting 5 more minutes on the treadmill in the Ignite studio, or 1 more hill in the dome, or 3 more crunches in the stage. The competition is you against you. Athelis' goal is to get people to take more care about performance than appearance, and to focus on building skills rather than just getting a workout in. And for us, this is what an athlete means. This is the ethos and values that the Athelis Club and Spa brand is built on. Which brings us to the word Acropolis. An Acropolis is seen as a fortress, a stronghold, a building, a place that protects and is a symbol of strength and safety for those who believe in it. And so Athelis' name was born, a place for champions, a place that's more than fitness, a place that's a way of life. With there being 2 reasons for the name, so be there 2 reasons for the logo, one representing the members, or should we say Athelians, and one for the club and building itself. If you take a look at the brand mark, you can see the first reason behind the concept. It's about body dynamics, alignment, the most optimal positioning people take for explosive movements. The second concept is on the outside of the Athelis Club itself, and the rooftop infinity spa, the one that everyone heads to after a high intensity session. For us, definitely the best way to unwind at a constant 37 degrees all year round. And that's it. The real meaning behind the name and logo of Athelis. I hope this has given you a better understanding of what goes into creating a brand name and logo when it's done right. Remember, at Athelis, there are no wrong paths, no wrong decisions, just endless possibilities. Peace!